Our knowledge in agronomy and process offer to the customer the best of nature and the best of science. Everything starts from the fields. Backward integration is really part of our DNA. All along the year, respecting season, we are dealing with more than 50 different vegetables, such as onion, mushroom, sweet corn, carrot, and celery. We develop a natural range of vegetable ingredients of high quality and performance. Our ingredients bring taste, nutrition, and even health benefits.
Having an in-house agronomy team at Symrise allows you to adapt to the circumstances and work with the growers in a way that maximizes the potential of the field.
On va implanter des variétés en fonction d'un terroir. C'est toute cette expertise qu'on a réussi à acquérir pour maximiser en fait les qualités organoleptiques.
We have several different varieties that we use for our customers, and a lot of it is based off our targeted functionalities, which are color, taste, sweetness, and etc. that our customer likes.
The agronomists develop long-term relationships with farmers based on trust, and it's come over years and even decades.
Symrise, c'est un client avec qui on travaille depuis plus de 25 ans. C'est des gens qui sont là toute l'année, qui nous sollicitent régulièrement. On sent qu'on est important pour Symrise.
Les avantages de travailler avec un agriculteur sur le long terme, ça va être d'avoir une traçabilité et d'avoir une continuité dans nos produits et nos productions. Le service agronomie travaille avec l'ensemble de nos producteurs sur de nouvelles méthodes d'agriculture plus durables.
The freshness is very important to have a very good quality of ingredients at the end. So we favor local sourcing close to our factory, and the factory we are dealing with are located in different parts of the world, such as France, Netherlands, Germany, Chile, US. This network of factories everywhere in the world offer us the possibility to be flexible, to offer contingency plan and securization of the supply chain, which is of high importance for our customer.
From our understanding of agronomy and our technical expertise, we are capable of producing a wide range of intense, very authentic natural ingredients. Our fresh vegetables are processed gently in our plants. Each harvest is unique, and every year our raw material changes. To make sure that our customers have a standardized quality, our job is to understand the raw material, select the right one, and then adapt the process conditions to make the quality even all years long.
Notre objectif est de garantir un niveau élevé de qualité et de sécurité des aliments et d'assurer une traçabilité complète. Des contrôles de qualité sont réalisés tout au long de la chaîne de valeur, depuis la sélection de nos matières premières jusqu'à la livraison de nos produits finis. La qualité baby food représente le niveau le plus élevé dans l'alimentation. Nos plans de contrôle sont drastiques et c'est pourquoi, avant tout approvisionnement, nous aurons analysé plus de 800 molécules.
Our customer will use our clean and performing ingredients available with organic certification in a wide range of applications, culinary applications like soup, sauces, ready meals, baby food products, bakery, and also beverages. We will offer them a true palette of notes of tonality from the raw, fresh note to the very culinarized profile. Within Symrise, it will be combined with a full palette of tonality and flavor.
Symrise, always inspiring more.